In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to freeze a frame in CapCut on your PC. First, we need a video to create a freeze frame from, and for this example, I'll use a video capturing the moment of several consecutive lightning strikes. I'll drag the video onto the timeline and play it briefly so you can see what happened. For demonstration purposes, I'll choose the second lightning strike and freeze the frame when the lightning appears in the video. After that, all you need to do is right-click, go to Edit, and then click on the first option, Freeze. This will give you a frozen frame that lasts for 3 seconds. If you want to adjust the duration, simply drag the right edge of the video a bit to the left. Here's how the video looks now with the frozen frame that I just created. There's also a shortcut for freeze frames located in the Tools section right here. Once you find the frame you want to freeze, you can simply click on that option, and your frame will be frozen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.